everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So if you are getting the message, we restricted your page as a safety measure because your activity may not follow our rules on Facebook, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several methods to fix this problem and recover your Facebook page access. First of all, this message usually appears when Facebook detects unusual activity, policy violations, excessive posting, suspicious logins, or any activity that may look unsafe to its system. To fix this problem, open the Facebook app, and after this, if you see a request review button, tap on it immediately. Carefully read the reason for the restriction and submit your appeal. Explain that your page followed Facebook's community standards and request a manual review. Now let's move to the second method. Now open the Facebook app. Now at the top left corner, tap on the three horizontal lines and tap on report a problem. Tap on report problem. Now tap on include. Scroll down and tap on settings, and here describe your problem. After this, go back to the home page. Make sure your Facebook account is verified. If Facebook asks for identity verification, complete it as soon as possible. Also check your page quality section and remove any content that may violate Facebook policies. Another important step is to change your Facebook password and enable two-factor authentication. This helps prove that your account is secure and not being misused. And after submitting the review request or report, wait for Facebook's response. In many cases, the restriction is removed within a few days if no serious violations are found. So that's how you can fix the we restricted your page as a safety measure because your activity may not follow our rules problem on Facebook. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.